Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing Miss Thing. Getting to her. If you're new here, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun, and if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, come on, let's get into Who's That Girl. You can watch me put her all the way together, and then I'll just go about giving you all her sneaky details. I can't talk today. All her sneaky deaky details. Alright, come on, let's go. Now that I got her all the way together, let's get into Miss Thing's details, shan't we? I was actually excited about getting this wig because it's been a while since I reviewed a WhatLace Collection wig. Now this wig is actually from their natural blowout collection, and her name is Simone, and I got her in the color Sangria. So let's go ahead and let me just give you all her details and then get into everything else. Simone is actually a deep part lace, 100% hand tied on Swiss lace, ear to ear Swiss lace. She's heat resistant up to 360 Fahrenheit. She's an HD lace. Now this is what her stock card is giving. This is her in the gray color, and I'm guessing this is her, looks like it's the sangria color, but a little bit darker. On the back it shows the different colors it comes in, and then it also says hashtag Team Natural. Here is something very special for the perfect naturalista. The Natural Me wig line contains an array of textured styles to mimic your natural hair, featuring blowout and stretch hairstyles in both 3 and type 4 curl textures. Everything from kinky straight, curly, wavy, and pre-braided designs. You are bound to find a style that fits your preference. Now, she is a standard wig. She comes with the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable strap, but no adjustable elastic band. She is very big head friendly. She says she comes ear to ear, but I feel like a little bit of my hair is coming out on the sides here. So I don't think she's really big head friendly, but you can go ahead and just slick down the baby hairs like you see I did right here. Did she tangle or shed? She did not tangle, but I had a little bit of shedding, just a little bit, not a lot. Now the texture on her, as you can see already, is a natural blowout texture. I look like I just came out of the Dominicans and they they freshly permed my hair and blew it out, and this is what they got. I really like the idea of this collection because this blowout is actually giving me life. I love the curls in it. Very cute. Let me turn around to the back so you can see what she's giving. Hope she looks good back here. The only complaint I have with her is the baby hairs in the front and the actual lace in the front. Now she's supposed to be an HD lace. I'm wearing her glueless. I did not attach her at all, and nor did I have to put foundation or anything like that on her. She blended kind of well, but I don't know, I just feel like the baby hair's gotta go, and it's not giving me enough room to actually pluck, because this is where the track starts, so I can't even pluck her to make her look a little bit more realistic. Other than that, if this collection was a 13 by 6, Janet collection, y'all hear me? This collection was a 13 by 6, or even you can combine the melted hair collection with this textured wig collection, maybe you'll have a banger on your hands. Like, this is nice. This is really, really nice. Like, I really, really like it. Like, a lot. Where would I wear her to? She is a cute, adorable wig. She is a dress-up wig. I don't think I would do an everyday look with this one. Maybe office, church. She's giving church vibes. She's definitely giving church vibes, graduations, weddings. Like, she's giving those type of vibes, if you feel me. Would I buy her again? Listen, this style, this cut, this color, beautiful. I would hesitate only because I feel like if she was more versatile, she'll be a 10-10-10. If she was a 13 by 6, 10-10-10. But I'm wearing her glueless, so let me see. I'll give her like an 8.5, maybe 7, 8.5. Because baby's giving the looks. Like, the looks. The looks are here. Listen, if you like what you see in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one. And she's bad. She's very classy bad. Like, she's a gorgeous wig. She's actually very cute. You will go ahead and get notified. Alright, folks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.